Welcome everybody one more time to another video created just for you, to this channel where we do everything that is technical. Everything. And I mean everything. So today in this video, we're gonna check what is an Apple ID and how to create one. Okay? So an Apple ID is just an email that Apple is allowing us to use their Apple services. That's pretty much it. If you want to download an app from the App Store on your phone or on your Mac, you need an Apple ID. If you want to get more storage in iCloud, you need an Apple ID. If you want to log in into Apple Business Manager, you need an Apple ID. Okay, so how do we create an Apple ID? I'm going to show it today. So let's get into it. And we're right here on my favorite browser, Google Chrome. And here is where we're gonna go. We're gonna go to account.apple.com. Account.apple.com. You're gonna press enter and it will take you to the official Apple website where you can create your Apple ID. So create your Apple account is the button that we're looking for, or the option that we're looking for. So right here, create your Apple account. And immediately he's gonna ask us for personal information. I'm gonna use the information that I used previously on my previous video. And we're gonna do El Pato Lucas in the United States. He was born on January 1st of 1980. Where's it in 1980? There you go. And is El Pato Lucas 080 at gmail.com. Remember that you have to use a real email. You cannot use a fake email. You have to use a real email because Apple is gonna send you a code and you need to input that code. So the password, remember this, the password will need to be a password requirement will be at least 8 characters, at least 1 number, at least 1 uppercase, at least 1 lowercase, and at least 1 special character. So we need to do something like I mentioned on the previous video when we created our email. It has to be something complicated. Try not to use your social security number, your last name, etc., your date of birth, and that. So we're gonna use here my favorite password. Let's see if it goes through. Yes, 90% strength. Perfect. And then we're going to use my phone number. Sweet. And then a text, I'm going to verify with a text message. And if you want to choose to receive announcements or receive Apple TV's ads and stuff like that, you can select them, but I'm going to choose not to. And you have to type this CAPTCHA code. Continue. Yeah, perfect. So here's what I was saying. We need to verify this email address. So the email address here, let me go to my Gmail real quick. I'm going to my Gmail right now. I'm verifying I'm not a robot. I'm entering my password. And I'm logged into my email now. And here is where I'm gonna check this Apple email that I just received to verify my Apple account email. And this is the code that I get. So I know it's a legit email because it's coming from Apple ID at id.apple.com. And it has that little verify check mark. So it means it's legit. It's not scam for sure. So I just copy this code, Command C if you're on Mac, Control C if you're on PC, and all I do is Control V if you're on PC, Command V if you're on Mac. There you go. So my Apple ID is now Apple account. And pretty much that's how you create an Apple ID. I hope this video was super helpful. for you. And remember, down in the description, I have an iPhone safety guide that you can purchase right now, so you can see all the security features on your device. You can also buy me a coffee if you feel that this was super helpful and you want to support this channel. You can do that as well. I also have a free DIY lesson on how to clean your computer from spyware, from malware, and from any viruses that you might have on your device, either for PC and Mac. You can check it out down below. And thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.